Hey guys, it's Jarex1 here, and today I'm doing a cuphead challenge with my cousin. We're gonna see who can get the farthest in 14 minutes or 15. We're gonna go separate ways.
We're skipping through the chat right now, guys.
Yeah, we're just gonna skip through all of this. So if you wanted to read that, go to my first video on Cuphead, and yes, I will be uploading more on that. It's just that account accidentally got deleted, so I have... But now you'll be able to see me beat the frog bosses, so... Oh wait, I need to do tutorial. If you guys didn't know, if you do tutorial, you get a free coin, and I really want that free coin so I can get the chaser gun. The chaser gun actually helps a lot, if you didn't know. So, yeah, he's doing it, so...
I got the coin, you guys, because I remembered what you actually need to do. Oh, by the way, I'm playing on Xbox, he's playing on computer.
Okay, so everything's still the same as I like it. Oh yeah, so guys, when you guys get Cuphead, if you don't like the controls when it is, you're gonna have to switch them. This is just what...
The controls are meant to be hard.
L arrow. What does it mean by L arrow?
Left arrow.
Oh, left arrow? I honestly don't understand this. So I don't even worry about it.
I actually hit all those too.
An EX move, R arrow. Booska, booska, booska. Kamehameha! Okay. So now we got a free coin. Let's be on our way. Okay, he's already ready. I'm gonna get the chaser gun. If you guys are new to Cuphead, well then, of course if you're new to Cuphead, also make sure to go check out the first videos that I have done on this channel. And yes, I will be doing more escapists. I will be doing more Minecraft. Minecraft, yeah. So if you guys... I know. If you guys have been wondering, where's Minecraft? Well, I'm going to be doing a bit of Minecraft later on, because this is just going to make up for everything. The reason I haven't been doing Minecraft lately is because I had to fix everything, because, you know, I lost my house, so I had to die. I had to get all of my materials back, so, yeah. I didn't have them.
There we go.
Yeah, I'm taking my chaser. Yeah. I got the chaser. It makes it super easy. So, I'm going to quit this. I honestly, it's been a while since I've done Cuphead, guys. And if you guys don't know, him and me... And guys, if you don't know, him and me are going to... Yeah. So, we made another account where we're on the last aisle, so... Just letting you know, we're going to be doing a video, I think, on the very last boss fight. So, up arrow to switch. I don't need to switch for this dude. He's pretty easy. For the onion, I might have to switch, just because you have
knockout,
to...
Baby. Woo! First knockout.
Oops.
There you go. That was actually pretty sick. And it tells you the timer right here. So Boom, defeat a boss.
Okay, so...
Oh, great. Come on, give me the B. Give me the B. Only taking them B's and A's, baby. Ooh, B.
Oh yeah, and guys, on my other account, even though that got deleted, we did beat the running gun, so... What? It wouldn't let me move.
On to my next boss. I'm not gonna buy his gun until I need one. I'll bet you I can beat at least 3 bosses.
Onion! Come on! Die already! That sounds so wrong.
Just die, Onion. That sounds like you're trying to see Die Onion from Steven Universe. Little Onion, watch out.
Dang it! Okay, I didn't beat it.
I'm fighting the little ball. Blue ball.
Okay. I mean, that dude might be easier for me, but yeah, I'm not doing it. Dang it! I'm restarting that because that was just
Oh, I got all 3. Let's go, boy.
also, guys, leave in the comments, how was your weekend? Die, Onion. Nobody likes you. You're weird. You cry too much. Why do you think you get bullied in school? You get bullied.
That's probably why he cries.
Yeah, he
gets bullied even more because he won't stop crying.
Yeah, but you don't cry. If you cry, you'll get bullied in school a whole bunch.
This is why the devil bullied him and he's trying to take his soul. Naughty Onion.
I don't honestly want to take your soul, buddy. Full HP on the last boss.
You get his soul back anyway.
Yeah, you do. I watched the end of it, and basically what happens is you burn up all the soul contracts, and it gives them back their souls. So, yeah, they all live.
Uh-oh, I might die. Psych.
Ruse Avenues. I don't even know what this ultimate does. Like, I should have read. Yay, boy! Knockout!
Knockout! Second knockout. I haven't bought a weapon yet either.
Nice.
We got this. You ripped your $2 bill?
Yeah.
Guys, you ripped the $2 bill.
I didn't mean to. It just ripped. I'll take a B. I'll take...
Oh, give me the A. A-, baby. I'll take it.
I've seen somebody get A+ on every boss. Like,
yeah, do you do that? Don't you get like a special reward?
I don't know.
From the one dude, you get like now I get
Cuphead!
I prefer you fight the blue guy.
That's what I'm doing.
I'm pretty good at the one gun. Okay.
Should I do the
I got
flower?
a gold flag on that. Baby, I've never seen one of those. At least not in our world. Time to fight them frogs.
Wait, have we seen a gold flag on our world?
Nope.
Oh.
We haven't got anything past the blue. Let's get at least
Yeet.
I'd use the chaser.
Huh?
I'd use the chaser because it follows you when you don't.
The first stage is actually pretty easy. It's the last stage that I don't like. Oh, I dashed into that. That was actually kind of my fault. Why is it making me dash into this? Yeah, I'm not even going to focus on parrying that because I don't want to die. Okay, he's going that way. A
Dude,
booska.
He's already rolling. Boy.
Whoa. What?
Oh, my
I
controller
dashed.
died. I had batteries. My controller died.
This controller died, guys. I can't catch up. Ah.
You're not gonna catch up. He's not gonna catch up, you guys. When the video ends, we'll just make a part 2. Well,
Yeah. We're going to see if we can get to IO2, guys. We're going to try to make it to IO2.
We'll upload them all at like,
Well, actually, we can't do it after this video because this video has to upload it. That takes like...
We're just gonna do, record all of them and then upload.
No, you can't do that. You have to upload one at a time. And then while one's uploading, you can't do a different one or else it deletes it. So, now you know...
How long does it take?
I don't know, I'd say like 15-something minutes. We'll see.
I just don't want to wait forever to play the game.
Yeah!
Yo, they're already turning into the slot machine.
Booska! Dang it.
I disconnected for a while.
No! Dang it.
Shoot your gun.
No.
I will take
No.
money. Money, baby. Of snakes.
Booska. Come on, buddy, die. That sounds so wrong.
Stop,
Yay!
buddy. Knockout.
Beat him.
I told you we were both good. Batteries are low. I just put in new batteries. Maybe they're dead batteries.
If they die right when you're about to beat him. What do I get?
If they die, it just says, oh, people.
I got a C.
Knockout. Boom.
Okay, I think we all know who's going to get to IO2 first.
You never know. I could get stuck on the airplane, dude. You're better with.
You mean the woman?
Yeah, the airplane woman. Do you have to do the running guns?
Huh?
Do you have to do the running guns?
No.
Okay. Then we got this.
Okay, guys, I think we're just gonna not do the running guns. We might do those.
Unless you need coins, you can do them whenever you want. Sorry you guys can't see my screen. I might, after the first episode, I might start recording on my phone, but I don't know. I might post it up on my channel. He'll leave a link down if I do.
Yeah, as soon as I learn. So, yeah, he's going to start uploading videos on his channel. And yeah. Basically, his channel... Yeah, he doesn't have a whole bunch of videos on his channel, so...
Oh, you're doing her already?
Yeah,
Good luck. You have to go parry the thing.
I know.
Or you have to just go to that.
So, guys, he might be better at some bosses.
I'm really good at running them.
Jordan, what happens here? Boom. Okay, so, guys, we're gonna have... Okay, so when I die on this, we're gonna have to end this video. This sounds really short.
Oh, also, on his videos, it lags a lot more than it does when he's, like, actually playing. I've noticed that when I watch his videos, watch them over. It's not his fault. He can't do anything right now. He's gonna get a better screen recorder, actual one.
Yeah, because this one's free. There's like a better thing where you can actually hear the game audio and everything, but it costs, and it's actually really good. You can hear like game audio, and it's a whole bunch of better stuff.
Oh, baby, give me that
I can record longer with it, and it's only $1 a month, so that's actually really good. So, good deal. Like $12. Yeah, good point. I think I might buy a different screen recorder.
Yo, I already got my ultimate.
Because then that screen recorder might say, like, this video took that.
I like playing Cuphead separately because you can't blame things on the other person. And it makes it more fun.
What I like about Cuphead is it's different from all those games. Usually in every game, it's just about levels. Like, it's never about bosses, really. Well, it's always about bosses. But Cuphead's one of those games where, like... Yeah, the levels aren't that important. Like, it's mostly just about the bosses, which I really like. That's actually a really cool kind of game, so... I don't know how I'm surviving this. Like, I'm surviving... How close? Okay, I did pretty good. But okay, so I think we're gonna do one more fight. I'll let you know what boss he got to. I think in the next episode, I'm not gonna fight her. I think I'm not gonna fight Hildeberg, which is her name. I'm probably gonna fight the flower. Because the flower is way easier than this person, so. The plants are just horrible. I hate them.
Yo, I ran into her.
I mean, planes... Cuphead's one of those type of games where there's certain types of boss fights. If you've ever seen Skylanders, yeah, that has certain types of boss fights. Let me know in the comments if I should do Skylanders. Let's play some Skylanders. I don't really play it as much as I used to. I mean, it's still really fun. It's just that, yeah. It's just, I'm waiting till the new one comes out. I haven't beat the last one, but yeah. I'm just going to, oh yeah. I don't know. Okay, which way? No, wrong way! Oh, I can actually just stay right here and shoot. Die. So now I know what way it's going to be going. What? Oh. Okay, guys, that's going to have to end this episode here. I hope you've all enjoyed, and I will see you all.
You better stop.
The timer just went off.
Stop.
The timer just went off, too. Okay. Well, I'm going to have to leave this.
No! I couldn't do anything.
He did the cheat onto the flower. Everybody does it. Oh, you do not see anything. Well, I hope you've all enjoyed.
It's not a sponsored video.
I hope you've all enjoyed, and I will see you all next time. Bye.